Your salad isn't causing your joint pain. Nightshades aren't poisonous, they're just misunderstood. Online, you'll see bold claims that tomatoes and eggplants cause inflammation and secretly damage your joints. These foods belong to a plant family called nightshades, including tomatoes, eggplants, peppers, and potatoes. The fear usually starts with a word, alkaloids. Some alkaloids can be harmful in extremely high amounts, and that small truth grew into a big internet myth. But dose matters. The amount in a normal meal is tiny and easily handled by a healthy body. Inflammation is not random. It usually comes from injury, immune conditions, stress, or long-term lifestyle patterns. For most people, research does not show that nightshade vegetables increase inflammation. In fact, these vegetables provide nutrients that support overall health. Rare allergies or sensitivities do exist, but rare does not mean everyone. When pain appears, the brain looks for a simple villain, and food becomes an easy target. But correlation is not causation. Just because two things happen together does not mean one caused the other. If you truly suspect a sensitivity, test calmly. Remove the food, observe, then reintroduce it. Most of the time, nightshades are nutritious allies, not inflammatory enemies. Your salad isn't sabotaging you. Nightshades are not villains. They're simply plants doing what plants do.